Hi guys, I am Yuvraj. I study in class 5th of Prakshit Vidyapeeth, Dholi Basti. Today I will tell you square 1 to 50. Square of 1 is 1, 2 is 4, 3 is 9, 4 is 16, 5 is 25, 6 is 36, 7 is 49, 8 is 64, 9 is 81, 10 100, 11 121, 12 144, 13 169, 14 196, 15 225, 16 256, 17 289, 13 200, 324, 19 361, 20 400, 21 441, 22 484, 22 484, 23 529, 24 576, 25 625, 26 676, 27 729, 28 784, 29 5 720, 841, 30 900, 31 961, 32 1024, 33 1089, 34 1100, 59, 35 1225, 36 1300.